Hello guys, welcome to Ecom Premium. This video is all about AI, artificial intelligence. First, have a look at these videos. So all these videos are created with Higgsfield AI, Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0. So you can advertise any your product. You can create any video you imagine. Anything you can turn into video. Your products, videos.
بسم الله الرحمن
Just give
الرحيم.
the prompt.
من يوم بدأت عاد حنثر بالسجرة ذي روتيني كثير ناس يعونوا وش نغير معليم كان اخي جربت وابلغ حساعتنا صابني حق الارض من الطريقه اكون هي ابطل الكليين الى محل مصاطه الكل القل وغدا مراكد ولا سنه وطقبت كبسكم مور اليوم جهه قايدر مغلانه عن طبائع يقوم لكم نفسك متخمن شارك الموقف مع اللي ممكن يستفيد خل فايده تعم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من يوم بدأت عاد حنثر بالسجرة ذي روتيني كثير ناس يعونوا وش نغير معليم كان اخي جربت وابلغ حساعتنا صابني حق الارض من الطريقه اكون هي ابطل الكليين الى محل مصاطه الكل القل وغدا
Any
مراكد ولا
idea
سنه
you
وطقبت
can
كبسكم مور
convert
اليوم جهه
any
قايدر
idea,
مغلانه عن طبائع يقوم لكم نفسك متخمن
right?
شارك الموقف مع اللي ممكن يستفيد خل فايده تعم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من يوم بدأت عاد حنثر بالسجرة ذي
Any aspect ratio. Generate ideas, convert ideas into motions, videos, all in one field. Why I'm showing you this to all of you guys. I hope you got the idea. Now this is all about Higgsfield. In Higgsfield you will get images. You can create images with all these models. You can animate, use cameras, Higgsfield Soul, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2. Like you can just give a prompt and an image for a reference and create a new image. You can go to videos. You can just give a reference, create Seedance, use Seedance 2.5, 2.0, 4K, Kling 3.0 with 1080p, 720p. Just give your video as a reference and create your own videos in minutes. And yes, and there is supercomputer option available in it. You can just simply give the idea and it will convert it into it. You can connect MCPs, CLIs with your plot, with your GPT, OpenAI, any tool you want. Just give the prompts there, get the videos fetched from here, get the imagination ideas from here, everything at one point. And yes, this will be the whole game changer in the next e-commerce, in the next online digital marketing industry. You can use Cinema Studio, Marketing Studio for all these features just by giving some videos or images as a reference, prompts, and then yeah, you can select the duration, you can select the model you want, Seedance, Minimax, Gemini, Omni, Kling 3.0, Flux, all the models for the recent video generations are available in Higgsfield, and the purpose of making this video is to let you guys avail this facility with our special affiliate link. So if you guys join with the link in the description for this Higgsfield in the next 3 hours, you will get 50% off by joining from our link. I hope you guys will definitely use it and get your first millions of views or millions of sales with this tool. I hope you got it. Thank you so much for looking and watching this video. Do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.